Hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Midwest, Missouri, USA. Let's get some thunder. It was really loud before I came out here, didn't I figure? Ooh, we got some lightning in the daytime. Never been to the Midwest. This is Missouri, USA. You know we got some rocking storms. Yeah, we do. Well, see, as soon as I go inside, it's going to get louder. There's Thomas. Here in the Midwest, we love storms, or at least I do. Alright, well, I just wanted to take a small clip. Wait a minute. Mother Nature. Ha. See, now I go out and play in the rain. I'm trying to keep my camera from getting wet, but this is what we do in the Midwest, man. Woo! Some lightning my way. It'll be awesome if it's lightning tonight. I'm gonna make another video because I love this time of year. Guess I'll go in. Some people are scared of storms. Not me. Happy Sunday. Oh, there's some lightning. Happy Sunday. Have a great day. It's still lightning tonight. Show me the video. Louder the storm, the better. Peace, love.